Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Do you like to watch films?
Yes, I really like to watch films in my free time, like DC and Marvels.
Okay, now this answer is short. Just try to elaborate a little more and then there should be proper conclusion with your answer. 4-5 sentences will do.
Okay.
I'll ask you another question. Do you prefer to watch foreign films or local films?
Yes, I like to watch.
Listen, when the question is do you prefer,
I like.
don't say yes. Yes, if I say do you watch movies, say yes I do or no I don't. Okay? So, do you prefer foreign films or local films?
I like to watch foreign films, mainly Hollywood, because they have very great cinematic views and high technology using in that movie making and directing. So I like foreign films.
So therefore, I love to watch foreign movies. Try to change the sentence structures. I would like to watch. I would love to watch. I am keen on watching foreign films. These type of structures will improve your band score. Let's go on. How often do you go to the cinema to watch a movie?
I didn't went to any.
I didn't went
Oh.
is wrong English. It's the murder of English.
Yes, sir.
English also comes to me. You know what does it mean? Manuvi English on the. Okay, so let's ask again. All right. How often do you go to the cinema to watch a movie? Do you? Present tense.
I have been to a cinema, but I am planning to go in a cinema with my friend to watch Molajat, which is doing very great business in the box office, and I will love to watch that movie with my friends.
Very good. See, your English is good. You just have to learn how to handle these questions in 4-5 sentences. Okay, let's go on. Do people prefer to watch movie in the cinema or at home in your country?
It depends on a person.
It depends.
It depends.
It
on,
depends on people.
It depends on people. If they don't want to spend their money on tickets, they will love to watch that movie on TV. And if they want to go with their friends and to watch that movie on a very first day, so they can go there and spend money and love to spend their time with their friends.
All right. Try to expand your vocabulary, not the same sentences or the same words again. What kind of movies do you like the most?
I like superhero movies like DC, Marvels, in which they have a lot of actions and great cinematic views and like concept that are not reality based, and these type of movies I
These
like.
type of movies are my most favorite.
Yes.
Now, first you said I like. Now, my most favorite. I'm keen on watching such type of movies. I love to watch. Right?
Yes.
So use a variety of words and practice these topics. You'll be fine. Let's go on. Do you like spending time with others?
Yes, I love to spend time with my friends and my family because it's make me happy.
It makes me happy.
It makes me happy to spend their time with my family. I can discuss with them my problems and my share with my happiness with them.
All right, you have problems and you have happiness also. Sometimes, problems and happiness source is same. Yeah, but you're not married, so don't worry. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's go on. How do you like spending time with your friends? It means what do you do when you meet your friends? So, how do you like spending time with your friends?
I love to go spend time with my friends by watching movies and go for dinner.
By watching movies, that's it. On the other hand, sometimes I also like going out for dinner with my friends. This is how we enjoy a lot. Make separate sentence. Not by watching movies, by going out with dinner, by drinking coffee, by this, by that. No. It's not proper sentence, okay? So please answer again. How do you like spending time with your friends?
First of all, I like to go with my friends on to watch movie, On the other hand, I love to go with my friend on a dinner, so we can spend their time together and discuss our daily routines.
All right, which friend is that, huh? Together and dinner and daily routine, huh? What's the name of the friend?
His name is Hamza.
Sure?
Yes.
Why you say ha 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 Hamza? All right, no problem. Let's go on. Do you remember a time when you needed to cooperate with others?
Yeah, yes, I always cooperative with others because it is necessary for everyone to discuss our studies in with others. So it is.
Okay,
So to answer
so
your question, I'll cooperate with others.
question is, do you remember a time when you need to cooperate with others? Yes, when I was at college, I had to cooperate with my college mates and I cooperated with them as well. And in return, they were also very supportive. So at that time, that's it. Okay. I mean, you know, what I'm telling you, this didn't happen with me, but I know how to tackle the question. So you should know how to tackle the question, and that's it. Those who are good at, you know, this is just the art of conversation, how to speak, how to give a sweet talk, how to speak gently, politely. So these things will give you good pen score, but overall it's fine, right? Thank you.